Hi, everyone. I'm Josh Radbod, co-founder and CEO of the PBC Conference, the B2B conference for payments, banking, and compliance in the cannabis industry. I'd like to welcome Alan Hanson, cannabis banking attorney at Gleam Law, one of our PBC conference sponsors. Alan, thank you so much for being here. Please tell us a little bit about you and what your business does.
It's my pleasure. Thank you very much for having me. So my name's Alan Hanson. I'm an attorney with Gleam Law. Gleam Law is a full service cannabis law firm. We offer, services from helping individuals obtain licenses, do license compliance, dispute litigation, contracts, you name it. We do it other than criminal law. And then my role in the firm is I help our financial customers, either banks, credit unions, payment platforms, develop compliant cannabis banking solutions.
Fantastic. Thank you so much for that, Alan. And this is so fitting for what we're doing, obviously, with the PBC conference. So would you say most of your clients are financial institutions or MSBs? Who's like the focus for you guys?
So my background, I was general counsel and compliance officer for a credit union for about 17 years. And it kind of fell in my lap, but we were one of the first credit unions in the nations to develop a cannabis banking program. So I created it, managed it for about 3.5 years, and then, decided that was way more fun than the general compliance or reviewing contracts. So I jumped ship and went into private practice. And now my clients are primarily banks and credit unions that want to develop cannabis banking programs. So I help them kind of recreate what I previously did. And what makes my experience unique from other attorneys is I actually managed a program where, I understand the law behind it, but also the practical operational issues that these financial institutions will run into as they go down that path.
Certainly important information to know. Thank you so much for sharing that. I think there's going to be a lot of people who find value in that. So what are you most excited for about PBC 2021?
Just meeting the people and network opportunities. I mean, I've looked at your speaker lineup. I know several of them already. Looking forward to meeting several more, and then also networking with the participants.
Fantastic. And they're excited to meet you too. Here's one question that everybody likes. What is one fact about you that would surprise everyone?
So probably the oddest thing that I do is my wife and kids show sheep. And so I've traveled with my kids taking sheep all over the country. And I think next year we're going to drive from Oregon to Massachusetts so they can show their sheep. So that's a little bit of craziness.
That's great. No, that's not the craziest thing I've heard. That's actually really cool. Well, Alan, thank you so much for being here and for sponsoring our conference. Folks, if you would like to meet Alan and his team, please join us on September 9th and 10th at the Washington Capitol Hilton for our PBC conference. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Thank you.